Good afternoon, everybody. Colin here with Techout. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Teardown skin from Dbrand, and I just picked this up on, I ordered it on Friday and it just got here today on Monday. I am a sucker for paying a little extra for the express shipping, and I just want to say this thing went on flawlessly. It took me all of, like, I don't know, 3 minutes to put it on. I was really worried about getting the camera piece on being so small and having to line it up with all three cameras. But what I ended up doing is I left my Samsung case on for that because the outline right here is just the width of the camera, so I was able to use that to line up basically all the edges. And once those were lined up, the camera piece right here lined up just fine. So that was really easy. And then putting the big pieces on is pretty easy. They give you instructions on how to use the paper. You kind of take it halfway off, line up the top, smooth that down, and then you flip it to the side, and you line up the bottom. And then once you do that, you pull the paper out the side, smooth everything down, and everything is nice and lined up. As you can see here, the edge right here is perfect. There's no overlap or anything on the top here. Right here, all perfect. Nothing sticking over, anything like that. And then the bottom right here, there's a little divot for the charge port. You can see all that is perfectly lined up as well. So that is the Dbrand skin for the Z Fold 3, or one of the Dbrand skins for the Z Fold 3. It's the Teardown edition. You can see here it actually says torn down in Canada, which is pretty cool. They changed that up a little bit. But it is just a skin for the back. Obviously there's no skin for the inside or anything like that. I got my top piece of the case on here, so it's kind of hard to open the phone. But that is the Teardown skin. They do also make a bunch of other ones, colors and like carbon fiber and stuff like that. A bunch of cool stuff. But just wanted to do a little video here showing what it looks like on the Z Fold 3. This is Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe. Have a great day.